Good, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our building design project, commercial building design project. So in case you are just joining us, this is the continuation. We have done a lot of design in the past, so you can check our playlist. You see there how to create commercial building. So you follow all the video we have done step by step. And if you are the first person to see our channel, kindly subscribe for more daily tips. So we continue from there and develop more. So here you are able to do a sit out at this point, but something is there that we need to understand is that this particular space, you see that there is no finite line, no definite line that separates this. So what you need to do is that it's not good in construction, this construction there. So what you need to do is to join them together. That's okay. Click on join. Pick this particular one and select the model of the roof. Click. And you see the line here is obvious now. So you do the same thing all over. Wherever you have for this, you do the same thing around there. Wherever you have them, you do the same thing. So it's applicable to every modeling you are doing. So let's go. So here now, before we go, we need to write the description of the plaster at this space. So the way we are using extrusion, that is what we're going to do. So go to south elevation. On the south elevation, you click on architecture, and here you click component model in place. And the model in place just say casework, and you can just describe it as a board or signboard or post or whatever. So I'm just using sign post, call it that way. So here I'm going to do extrusion to design this, and I'm going to pick plane, plane. Not picking from all this side, so just to pick the one that's applicable, so you can later adjust it to that space. So I'm going to draw this. If you are watch some of the hotel design that we did, something like this has come up from there as a fully later queens. So that way you can do the same thing here as well. So drag this, move it back, and take this back. So at this place you go back to the front, same thing, you create again, then you create extrusion. And the extrusion you create, you pick a plane as well. Now you use this one as a plane. So you draw a square, circle, sorry. Draw a circle round. So that will be a scroll, a sliding holding for the body of the pole to be work. So everything is in details in construction, because you might be hard to present a detail of everything you do. So that's why the revit is here. A little bit or greatly help you when you are doing such great design. So now you go back to this and extend this to the back. You have a fixed point, then you extend this one, just give it a little bit, so you look like you've quoted to the. So when you look at it from there, you go to 3D and see what you have created. This is it. So now you can change this material category, just select whatever you know that's okay. It will be beautiful. So I'm using this. Let me take this particular one and duplicate it. I'm giving it appearance different name. So here ceramic will be okay for me. So I'm going to take something like a plastic. So the plastic now I'm taking. Okay, let me just take this plastic with black. So okay. So yeah, change this one too. Category. duplicate this, pick this, and select any. So go to metallic paint or metals. So select like aluminium, something like this. So click OK. Good. So that's significantly is there. So you go back here and you select the name of this plaza. It's going to be called Jericho Plaza. So that's what we want to do here now. Create this. You finish it. Sorry. As you finish now, you come to model text. At the model text, you pick the same thing here. So you select and you call it Jericho. Catalog Jericho Plaza. Good. So you can just follow it and see what you've done. This is what is it. So this is it here now. It's not actually the way you want it to be. So we'll select it back and say edit, play double click. So from there you can break, just break it, So that's it. So click and see what you have. So drag it. So drag it. So what you need to do is to rotate the group. So pick it and rotate it. So what do you do? Select this, delete this part. So this is Jericho Plaza according to what we've done here. So the depth and everything category, change the material and bring it to something and say duplicate material, appearance, let it have graphics appearance and just like this. Then you change this to, I just want to use pure white. Ceramic. Good. So this will be, so you can change the silver, you can change this particular one if you don't want to work like apply. Good. So text size, good. That is correct. So this one will be okay for me. And go to the middle. So that is very good design. Now you see from 3D, you see, so you select it, you do edit. So the thickness, so the thickness, okay, because it's so cool, but the thickness here, the depth here is what you reduce to say 50. Good. So that's it. So that is it for that particular. So we are done with this education and things like that. So now our concentration and idea should be shifted to the working drum. There's something here in this particular that. So I'm going to do something here, but not particular building and other things. Just the roof. I'm just going to change the material and let it add what you need to up. So what I need to do is to copy this from the top, bring it to the bottom. At that point, you say edit, then duplicate it, then you change the size here to something of 300 thickness. Say okay, apply, see how big it will be. So from there, shrink it down. So here you edit the footprints, go to sites where you will see bigger. So here you edit the size by, do not copy it, but just bring it in like 75. So take it in all over. Good. Yeah. So go to rest and see there. So you change the material here. Edit the material. Ctrl D. So or you select this roof tiles. Good. So anywhere you are, you see you have its own position at its own server. So that's how you do it in that aspect. So we're done with this. The next thing to do is to introduce ourselves to category of grid. So how do we create grid? One is already existing, which is construction grid. So you can leave this one as this and toggle it to have double edge. So you click here and say duplicate the same thing. So from here you start drawing them one after the other. That is number 2. So here you click again. For every grid must be snapped to the center line, which is middle point. So number 3 and number 4, 51. Anyone you do that now, when you are at the snapping point, you can later come and give you the peak here now. You will be able to do a big line the way that is made. So that is it. So you are done with this. Look at it. If it's not aligned, do not panic. All you just need to do is to align them to where you want them to be. So here, it's already. Select this guy. Can you see? Already aligned. So here you do the same thing. Okay, this one take the shape for the position. So that it here as well. So it's only this one. It's there. Here. So they are all at corresponding position. So now you drag them to this point. So you do the same thing here as well. Okay. So you start from the edge, the last one, then you change the name of this one. So change it to A, sorry. So you double the edge. So you create similar. You start doing the snap to the center of the wall. So we do the same thing here. Good. You follow the same pattern. Good. You will begin to arrive at the space you want to find to be. You will laugh. Good. So you align everything to where they need to be, like this. Ready. So in case of the big system, is when we are doing our structural drawing, so to give engineer a preference design procedure, what to follow and how to follow it. So do that and do that. So that's how you work on these aspects. So go to level 2. Anywhere you are, any level you go, in level 1 you see there, in level 2 still 3. So this I continue. So you see this education should be an education as well. So this is the bit on the education. So the reason why one is not shown, you can see okay and hide in the back. So that is it. So you can leave it this manner, you can work on it that manner. So now as we have done it, what I need to do now before I proceed to working drawing is that I need to package all this education and bring the cropping region to the position of T. So what we do, click here, I get this come, then I join the crop region and fix them before we proceed, because the detail of this drawing is going to be made now and repeat. So what you need to do is just click and subscribe to the channel. So if you are not interested in seeing all this line, it's something for you to hide, because I always like this line only on the category. I just only like them when I'm doing such. But filling all this line on the location this me off. So I don't that piss me off, or I don't used to put much interest in a line like that. So all this one I just hide it later. I'm going to do that. So go back here, we did the same thing here, toggle this, adjust them. The reason why I'm adjusting this is because when you want to put them into the sheet, so this cropping region will not be affecting your position, your drawing position on the paper space. So that's why I need to adjust them. I will have just left them alone and do something else. But during the printing out or putting paper in space, a lot we have to add this one category. So now the west side, which is this, so toggle this on again and cut it off. So that is how you use crop in Revit. So our next project, we are going to not yet, we are going to conclude this one to later do a lot of details. So the next project we are going to embark upon, we are going to use Revit 2024. There are a lot of features there that's a very good, realistic, and improvement on most of what we are doing here. So we're going to see them in that project and hide everything as you can see there. So in that project we are going to see this design procedure and how we can. So that's how we stop on this for now. We have already put all the elevation into perspective, so you can decide to add them, hide them, put them in, hide them. So this thing you can rename them if you wish. You can rename anything, anyone. So if you don't want this one, like I said, you can hide all the categories. They are there, you can see them later, hide them. So if you don't want them, make Revit no. Come to search, category, hide category, hide category. So this will give you hide category. So that is what we do, and that is how we do it. You can hide shadow if it's interest to you, adjust the shadow to your taste, and so on and so forth. So, but the more graphics you put here, the more slow your system will be. So take note of that. So you can hide whatsoever you don't want. So here is what we have done to execution assets. So in our working drawing, we are going to cut section and do a lot of this graphic design in details and things like that here. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you.